Hi, let us solve this fraction example 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7 within bracket plus 1 upon 21. Whenever we have this kind of question where we have multiplication, then bracket, then plus and minus and all other arithmetic operators, then we have to follow BODMAS rule. BODMAS stands for bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And this is the order of operations as well. Like in this example, we have bracket, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first we will solve brackets, then we will solve multiplication. After that we are going to solve addition and later subtraction. First we have to solve brackets. Okay, let us see how we do it. So within the brackets we have 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7, right? Let us write it down. We have 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7. So we have to solve this first. For this we need to find out LCM, and LCM is nothing but least common multiple, which is smallest or least positive integer that is divisible by all the integers, right? So first I will write multiples of 3. This is going to be, and then I will write multiples of 7, which is 7, then 14 and 21. So here I have to find out the lowest number which is common in multiples of 3 and in multiples of 7. Here I see 21 is common in both the multiples, right? LCM is equal to 21, right? Now it is very simple to solve 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7. So 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7, I need to write both these fractions in a way that their denominators become 21, right? We need to find out a common denominator for both these fractions. Let us see how we do it. For 2 upon 3, I will multiply both the numerators and denominators by 7, and we will get 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 and 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So here our denominator is 21. Similarly for 4 upon 7, I will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3 so that we have denominator 21 and numerator is 12, right? Now it becomes very simple to solve 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7. For 2 upon 3, I will write 14 upon 21, then a minus sign, and for 4 upon 7, I will write 12 upon 21. We will have 21 as the denominator, and for the numerator's place, I will write 14 minus 12, right? This is 14 minus 12 is 2 upon 21. Okay, now our question is going to be 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 21 plus 1 upon 21, and 2 upon 21 is what we got after solving 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7, right? We are done with brackets, right? Now we have multiplication and addition. So if you see here, multiplication and addition. So first we have to solve multiplication, right? Let us see how we do it. So I will write 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 21 plus 1 upon 21 in the next slide. Okay. Now we have multiplication and addition both. So I am going to solve 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 21 first. So this is pretty simple. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 21 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2. We simply need to multiply both the numerators and both the denominators, and 4 multiplied by 21, right? So we can solve it here itself. 2 will be 2 as it is. 4 we can write as 2 multiplied by 2, then 21. These 2 and these 2 will cancel each other. So what we'll have is 1 upon 2 multiplied by 21 is 42, right? Okay. So our equation is 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 21 is, let us write it here, 1 upon 42 plus 1 upon 21, and we need to solve this. So I will find out LCM of 42 and 21, right? LCM 42, let us write 42 as it is. For 21, I will write multiples of 21. That is 21 and then 42. You see here 42 and 42 is common. So our LCM of 42 and 21 is going to be 42, right? Now I will write 1 by 42 in a way that we have denominator 42. So we do not need to do anything here. We simply multiply 1 at the numerator and at the denominator's place both. So we have 1 upon 42, right? For 1 upon 21, I need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. So at the numerator's place, I have 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. 21 multiplied by 2 is 42, right? Now it becomes very simple to solve this addition. So first we have 1 upon 42. I will write 1 upon 42 as it is, plus for 1 upon 21, I will write 2 upon 42. Here we have 2 upon 42. Now this is very simple. At the denominator's place, we have 42. And at the numerator's place, I have 1 plus 2, right? So that is 3 upon 42. Okay, let us simplify this fraction. 3 we can write as 3 multiplied by 1, and 42 I can write as 3 multiplied by 14, right? So this 3 and this 3 will cancel each other, and what we have is 1 upon 14. Okay, so result of 1 by 42 plus 1 by 21 is equal to 1 by 14, right? And this is the result of this particular question. Let us see how we arrived at 1 upon 14. Okay, so first we solved 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7 because it is within the bracket, right? So what we've done, we have written 1 upon 4 multiplied by result of this subtraction is 2 upon 21, right? And then we had 1 upon 21, right? Then we solved 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 21 because as per the BODMAS rule, we have to perform multiplication first whenever we have multiplication and addition, right? And the result of this multiplication, what we got was 1 upon 42, and then we have to add 1 upon 21, right? And after the addition, what we got 3 upon 42, and after simplifying it, we got 1 upon 14, right? So result of this question is 1 upon 14. Hope you understood how we solve any fraction problems, any fraction questions. In my next video, I will bring more examples related to fractions and I will help you understand how to solve them. Thank you for watching.